I figured we'd just back it in. Just go out and back it in.
Back it in? Okay.
Come on, steer, you want to push?
I'll push. You can steer. Like I told Sharon, that way if you crash it.
I think there's a board in the front yet too, isn't there?
Nope. Whoa, whoa there. Man, I didn't even start pushing. I put my hands on it. Well, there ain't much to push in this, is there? No. Take the engine and everything out of here and hold the crap. Easy. Oh, fuck. Okay. Right, you just gotta get over that hump. Oh, yeah. Okay, why don't you just get... Maybe, okay, we'll go inside, maybe I have to push it. Why don't you, because it'll be a lot easier to try. Well, we'll see what happens. Just hold it. Okay, just let it drift just a little bit. Okay, okay, now I'm going to push.
Are you nervous?
It's like having your hair down to your waist and going in and having them cut your bangs.
Sharon, it can't get any worse, so.
Huh?
It can't get any worse, so like. You got a brand new one in the box.
Yeah, got all braided new wire, stuff that ain't brittle.
Yeah, you're gonna burn things in the ground with that 100%.
You make me want to go buy a fire extinguisher.
I have a fire extinguisher in every one of my old ones.
Oh, is yours? Yeah.
Elon or otherwise?
Just regular fire extinguisher. Pull it straight out. Should be everything you need this over there. Good over there?
Yeah, so far so good. We'll step down. it.
You right now. It is platinum anyway. The litter running into the trash and
Yeah.
just is in the platinum.
Holy camole! This is
Wow.
picture time.
The jewelry box.
Yeah.
No platinum back there, you won't be able to see all of
Right, it says a sheen to it right now, but you know.
the build. This.
Once it dries up, yeah. Do that point.